So I'm Kabir Vetas. I'm a CEO of Nunat and the project lead through the whole incubation period, which we just switched into the full kind of first, second gear. I don't know which one. For Nunat, what we're doing, we are building a global economy of decentralized computing, which is, in short, we call ourselves Singularity infrastructure arm of SingularityNet. So we are building a platform which lets anyone share and monetize computing resources at scale and provides a globally distributed and optimized computing power for the decentralized networks. And as I said, first of all, for the SingularityNet AI marketplace. So we were incubated until now. We are kind of in the midst of the phase transition from the project that was incubated in the SingularityNet AI ecosystem, in the SingularityNet ecosystem for over 2 years. And in the last month, we completed our token distribution period and program, which means we are right now the Nunat utility token, which is NTX token, is fully live. And we are getting up for building, expanding a team and sort of going on with our commitments in terms of roadmap development and building the platform. So right now we are switching from, as I said, from the incubation, let's say, phase into the full development phase and team building and expanding. So about the history, we have released 3 months ago, just before we started this token distribution, the token distribution period, we released the private alpha version of Nunat platform, which basically has all the basis of the platform, which we are going to expand during the roadmap. Well, all the core elements which have to be seriously expanded and sort of developed in order to get into the full platform, which can be used publicly. So we released this on September 8th, and it is a kind of MVP, minimal viable product, but it's also something that we are using to build upon, which means we are not sort of rewriting everything we incrementally now improving it to go into the public alpha phase, which will enable us to offer computing power already with the NTX, with actual NTX tokens, which were launched last month. We will start building the gateways from other tokens to NTX tokens so that people could implement the payment or the rewards for the computing power through the tokens that they choose. So first of all, that is SingularityNet native token AGIX, which will allow us to allow SingularityNet AI algorithms to pay for their own hardware. So this is something that we are sort of looking at as a priority, and we are looking forward to get this done. And we already started to do the community developer program. So we started to build our community developer program managers so that we can build all those things, not only from what we are sort of what we designed for the roadmap, but also start to align this roadmap to what community needs and community wants through the community developer program, as well as onboard community developers who can write a code and also develop algorithms that will run on Nunat. So actual use cases, already start onboarding them and working with them from the very beginning. We also, during as a part of private alpha, we released a showcase application, a browser extension which uses the Nunat backend Nunat platform as to run backend for the browser extension, in order to show how people can start building apps. And we'll go forward with that. Right now we are developing Cardano sort of ability to run Cardano nodes on Nunat infrastructure. We already have public Cardano nodes or passive relay nodes running on Nunat network, so that people can basically volunteer the computing power to support Cardano network, and then we are working for enabling basically to run any Cardano block producing node in a secure mode. And just mentioning that we have Catalyst proposal based on that. I mean, related to that, in order to collaborate with Cardano developers and also Cardano stake pool operators, in order to invite them to try out the Nunet infrastructure to run Cardano nodes. Yes. So what we are trying to
very busy time behind you, and it seems like the time in front of you is no less busy. Am I correct?
Well, I would say it's more busy.
Did you know that was possible?
I mean, it is of course possible, because now we have the mandate from the community and opportunity to expand our team, expand our operations, and build the roadmap, which is much broader, and build up on all this incubation period and thinking which is behind this, to scale it up. And also this is the reason why we were encouraged by the early private alpha users and developers to start building the community developer program, or start putting it together as soon as possible. We were thinking maybe we will start it in 3 months after the token launch, or we prioritize it to start it immediately, in order to use the potential of the community developers and community in general, also to contribute to the platform development, which is as we have a commitment to the communities, is open source. So we want to, from the very beginning, to start developing this as a open source program, and to engage all the intellect and energy from the community to sort of build the actual working code the way the community needs it. And yes, I think it's much more busy in a sense, but also it's much more wide and gives much more opportunity.